Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, May the 9th, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. A black-bodied candle as well, so we have the sellers making net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, and the size of the body has increased on the previous day, and that's significant. It means that the sellers have increased their downside momentum on the trading day between the open and the close. Having said that, however, we have seen the sellers once again fail to close with control. The previous day's trading, we saw the buyers close with the control of this market by trading the market up towards the high, not closing at the high, but certainly closing above the midpoint level and between the high and the midpoint level. Today, once again, we've seen the market close just above the midpoint level, with the buyers having control, but very, very weak control. Almost, you'd have to say that neither side had control in this market. And the important thing here is that throughout the trading day today, as with the previous day, the sellers lost control of the market. They were in control when the market was trading down towards the lows, and they lost control. And that lost control was seen by a loss of commitment at the support level at 1347. 1347 moving forward is a very, very important level for this market. Rejected from that area twice. We now have the that area as an area that we should watch if the trend is going to continue down. Now, if the market does trend down past there, then 1333 is another important support level, and then no major support until the market trades down to around number 1300. In terms of Ichimoku, we've had the market close down below the cloud, and that is a bearish signal with Ichimoku charts. It means that the market is bearish in the long-term time frame, but it's been on a very weak candle where we've had this rejection from outside of the cloud. So we can take this two ways. Those who take any closes outside of the cloud as being a strong signal would take it that way, but I'd like to see the sellers supporting this move to the downside and then waiting another day patiently for perhaps a strong move by the bears once again, where they take control of the market. Could see the market trade lower. In terms of the other indicators, we are trading down below the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen when maintaining the bearishness in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes that was established 4 trading periods ago, with this very bearish breakout below those indicators. So that's quite significant for this market. Looking across to the checkout span, that's below the corresponding price action. So that's confirming all of this bearishness that we're seeing in this market today. Now, if this market does attempt to rally, we should see resistance off it at the bottom of the cloud, and anywhere in the cloud. And the important level that could be approached is around this 1370 level, then up to 1378, and a couple of very strong levels and very strong resistance up to the top of the cloud and almost to the round number 1400. So a day where we've had the market turn bearish in all 3 time frames, but this market is not supported by the sellers. They lost commitment throughout the trading day. The buyers, by the same token, have not shown a lot of strength. There is a little bit there, a little glimmer of hope for the buyers, but they're not overly strong. Very strong support down below at 1347.